Hello everyone, welcome to MudgarClub. I am Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our series of Shena Pushup Board, and this is our 7th video of the Shena Pushup Board. In the last video we learned the Shena Sharnavaji middle stretch, and in this video we will learn the Shena Sharnavaji, the side leg stretch. In this Shena Sharnavaji side leg stretch as well, we will divide the push-up, the part, in two parts, in which in the first part we will do the push-up part, and in the second we will do the stretch part. So as we start with widen our legs, go down on the Shena, and first we start doing the push-up, the Shena 2 count, 1, 2, and from here we come up, we keep our one hand, left hand on our left hip and take our right hand towards the left feet and try to touch our left feet with our right hand fingers. So it's like this, 3, 4. Then we go down again, 1, we come up to do the complete second stretch as we do in the downward dog position, then come up, and from here we keep our left hand on our left hip and try to touch the left feet fingers with our right hand fingers. So it's stretch, stretch. So it's 3 and 4. Then we go down again, 1, we come up, this time we do the other side. This time we keep the right hand on our right hip and we stretch towards the right side. 3, 4. Then we go down again, 1, up, then again 1, 2. Let's do it again. We open up our legs wide, we go down, 1, we come up, we keep our left hand on our left hip, we stretch, 3, 4. Then we go down again, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we do the Shena Sharnavaji side leg stretch, or the 4 counts side leg stretch. Let's do it 10 counts from the both side, from the both angle. How it looks like in real time. We open up our legs wide, go down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do from the side angle the 10 times again. Widen our legs and start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was our Shena Sharnavaji side leg stretch. In the next video, we will learn the new movement. So do this practice in a good way. Thank you.